Welcome back to PHLster Holster's YouTube channel. In this video, we're addressing common appendix carry mistake number 3, and that is not using the right concealment features or not really using any at all. But first, we need to establish what are concealment features. Concealment features are things like wings and wedges, and we use these in conjunction with pressure in order to bring certain parts of the gun in closer to our body. When we use the wrong concealment features for our body, we wind up just adding bulk in the wrong areas without reducing printing. A wing attaches to the grip side of your holster, and there are different kinds of wings with different features, but generally a wing is going to interact with the pressure from your belt in order to bring the grip of your gun in closer to your body. Some wings have an angle to them. This can help tuck both the grip and the top of the gun in closer. Then other wings have different size inserts and shapes, like the mod wing. The mod wing should always come with a small insert and a large insert. The larger insert will typically give you more grip tuck than the small. A wedge comes in all different shapes and sizes and materials and can be beneficial in a number of different ways. Generally, a wedge is made of a foam-like material and is placed on the lower end of your holster down by the muzzle between your body and the holster. Not only can a wedge aid in concealment by bringing the top of the gun in closer to your body, and depending on where you place it, the grip of your gun or the slide side of your gun in closer to your body, but it can also help to eliminate things like painful hot spots created by the muzzle end of the holster interacting with your body. There are other ways to achieve concealment, like putting the entire gun inside of a corset style pocket, but most of these other methods unnecessarily inhibit access and draw speed. You can determine which concealment features that you need by using things like the poke and check method, which we'll have linked up here and down in the description. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you, and keep an eye out for the rest of this 6-part series.